In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively utilize Google Drive when you encounter uploading issues. We've all been there trying to get a file up into the cloud, only to be met with unexpected delays. So let's go through a few simple steps that can help you troubleshoot and resolve these common problems. First things first, check your internet connection. It sounds basic, but many upload issues stem from a shaky connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable. If you suspect your connection might be the culprit, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Running a quick speed test can also be incredibly insightful. Slow upload speeds often lead to prolonged upload times or failures. By doing this, we can be certain that we are starting off on a solid foundation for success. Next, sometimes all it takes is a restart. Depending on your device, this can be executed in a few different ways. If you're using Google Drive in a web browser, try closing and reopening the tab. You might even try opening Drive in an incognito window for a fresh start. On a mobile device, force close the Google Drive app and then reopen it. For those using Google Drive for desktop, a simple quit and restart of the app often works wonders. Sometimes the smallest of refreshes can solve bigger problems. Another important step is to clear your browser or app cache, as accumulated cache can disrupt your user experience. If you're accessing Google Drive through a web browser, clearing your cache can significantly improve performance. While doing so, also make sure to disable any browser extensions or ad blockers that could be getting in the way. Now let's take a closer look at file size and format. Navigate to your Google Drive homepage and check the storage information. Free Google accounts have a 15 GB storage limit. Ensure your file isn't larger than the available space. If you're dealing with particularly large files over 5 GB, using Google Drive for desktop might be a more efficient method for uploading than the web interface. This approach leverages the desktop app's capabilities to handle substantial data more effectively. When all else fails, try signing out of your Google account and signing back in. This simple re-login can refresh your Drive synchronization, resolving any unnoticed signs of fatigue in the process. Lastly, keeping your tools updated is crucial. Make sure your mobile device's Drive app is updated through the Play Store or App Store. Similarly, ensure your desktop browser is current, preferably using Chrome for the best compatibility. And as a final tip, if you're using Google Drive for desktop, you can attempt to pause and then resume your upload. Locate the Drive icon, click on it, pause the syncing, wait a few moments and then resume. This can sometimes nudge the upload process into better functioning. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most common Google Drive upload issues. Thank you for watching, and happy uploading.